How to log into Facebook Lite. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step how you can do it. So let's get started without any delay. First of all, you can just go ahead and launch your Facebook Lite application. If you have not downloaded it yet, you can just go ahead and download it and you can directly find a login interface. Now, all you gotta do in order to log in is use your mobile number, email address, and your password. So in the first box of mobile number, email address, you can just go ahead and type in your mobile number, email address that you used in order to create an account. And right below it, you should be finding a password section. You just need to go ahead and type in your password right in this section. After that, tap on login from your screen and you will be logged in. If there is any kind of authentication on, you just need to enter up the code and you will be logged in directly. If you've forgotten your password, we have this option of forgotten password. You can just go ahead and tap on it and follow the process of recovering your account. And once that is done, you should directly logged in into your account. So this is it. You may follow the same process if you want to log in into Facebook Lite as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.